Today we're going to take a look at router protocol and we're going to decide whether or not it's a low market cap gem. What makes it a low market cap gem? That's easy. It has to be under a $500 million market cap. It has to provide a service, solve a problem, or have another use case. And it definitely has to easily be able to do a 25 to 50x in a bull market. And last but certainly not least, it has to be able to be staked, farmed, or provide some type of other passive income. Let's see if router protocol has what it takes to be considered one of APY's low market cap gems. Welcome back to the APY Guy Crypto and DeFi channel, where I try to bring you the best projects and information in the crypto space. If you like crypto and decentralized finance, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Okay, the first thing we'll do is we'll take a look at coin market cap. The token is ROUTE, route, and it's trading at $3.24 right now. But we're here to see what the actual market capitalization is, which is $27.5 million. Is definitely a small market cap. So it's definitely a small cap coin. If we go down here and we take a look at its history, we look at market cap over, let's say, the year span, the highest it's ever gotten was up to a little over 100 million. So it's definitely still at its all-time high. It's still it's still a small cap coin under 500 million. So if we go to their website, which is routerprotocol.com, and we scroll down, we can see exactly what it is. It's a cross-chain protocol that enables fund transfers, transfer assets from one chain to another. Users can send their DAI from Polygon to Fantom seamlessly. And then also you can do asset swaps. So they're saying you could swap asset A on chain X or asset B on chain Y. So separate different assets on different chains. For instance, users can swap their USDT on Ethereum or DAI on Polygon using the Voyager app. We're going to look at that in a second. Also does cross-chain applications. So they could build dApps or dApps, whatever you want to call them, that enable cross-chain lending, governance, and much more across Ethereum virtual machines and non-Ethereum virtual machine chains. So that is cool. Okay, and then down here they show some other stuff. It says what router protocol offers: optimal price for token swaps, unified gas fees, which you're using the route token as a unifying gas token, which is cool. It's good for the token itself. Cross-chain settlement engine. By settling all transactions automatically, router protocol ensures user funds are never blocked. Periphery contracts. Router's periphery contracts allow for easy access to router cross-chain communication engine. Multi-chain token standard. Launch and manage multi-chain tokens with a built-in accountability standard. Application-specific blockchain. Router blockchain will function as a global multi-chain accounting layer. Okay, now we're going to launch Voyager. And this isn't the crappy exchange that shut down. This is Voyager on router protocol. I always hated Voyager, that exchange. It was awful. So what kind of exchange keeps your tokens and they don't let you withdraw them? It's ridiculous. Okay, so we're on the Voyager swap here, and you can swap literally any, like not any, but a lot of different chains. There's a bunch of them here. We want to say go to Avalanche and swap some avax tokens over to, let's say, Polygon, and we want to get Polygon Matic. We can swap from one chain to the other chain and different tokens, which in my opinion is amazing. Okay, I wasn't going to do this, but what the heck. Let's add liquidity and see what this farm that they have here is. So there's a route USDC farm. So if we go to add liquidity, I think it's going to take us over to Uniswap. But we can do that on the Polygon network. So if we we need to buy some from route tokens. So what do I have here? Get a few dollars in USDC. I can swap that for route. Do that. This is on Uniswap. This is not on the route protocol, because this is between the same chain, so we don't need to use that. And plus, I don't have any route tokens yet. Now I'm going to have, I think it's like 1 or 2 or something like that. Okay, we got our route token. Now we're going to add liquidity. So we go back here and hit add liquidity. It'll take us here, and then we can add, we'll do the maximum amount of USDC, and we have to approve each one. And it's on Polygon, so it's super cheap. All the fees are super cheap, and it's super fast. Polygon's one of my favorite blockchains for sure. Okay, everything went through and it's approved. So we'll hit preview, and then it's going to show us what we're doing. We're adding 0.99 route tokens, and we're adding 4.57 USDC. Go ahead, add, and then we'll confirm it here in a second. And it's pending. Okay, it went through. It shows that our new position here is route and USDC. And then now we're going to go over to Voyager, and we're going to put it in the farm and see what happens. Okay, now we go back over to Voyager, and we go to the route USDC farm, and now a new section pops up showing our liquidity pair. And it's showing that we have, route USDC and a liquidity pair. And the reward that we accrue will be route token. It says there's 16 days, 11 hours, 3 minutes left. I'm not sure how long that lasts, or if they're going to renew that after that. I'm going to try to find out, but let's go ahead and stake what we have. It's waiting for confirmation. I'm interested to see what they're going to use as gas. I guess it's using Matic. Okay, fine, because it's like barely any. And confirm. This router protocol is pretty cool. It's just like, we didn't do a swap on there, but it kind of lets you use any token you want, kind of. It's just universal almost. What is universal? Okay, let's see what happens here. If it goes through, give it a second. Okay, it went through, and that shows our position here, and then it shows that we're starting to accrue route token. It doesn't show APR though, which is, I'm not sure about that. Okay, I don't see an APR anywhere, but it looks like it's accruing pretty quickly, and that's only like $10 worth in there, so I can't imagine how much you would get, because it's giving out 175 tokens per day, I guess. So if there's not too many people in it, it's going to accrue pretty quickly. Okay, now let's go back to CoinMarketCap, and let's see what would happen if it were to 25x. So if we go to the calculator, let's take the market cap times 25. The 27,457,209 times 25 would be 686.4 million. So if we go to all cryptocurrencies rankings and we scan down past the billions into the millions, 686 would put us right in between Neo and synthetics. Now, maybe not in a bear market would it get, to this, but in a bull market, I definitely think it could, for sure, because synthetics would be probably 2-3 billion in the middle of a bull market. So yes, I think it could 25x. 50x might be a little more difficult, but I think it's definitely possible. So if we go to my whiteboard here, it's going to show what our credential, what it needs to do to be a low market cap gem according to our specifications. Is it under $500 million market cap? Yes. Does it provide a service, fix a problem, or other use case? It definitely does, because it does the swapping, and it does the cross-chain swapping plus different token swapping from chain to chain. Can it easily 25 to 50x in a bull market? I believe so. And can you stake, farm, and receive passive income with it? Yes, you can. That's 4 check marks. So ding, ding, ding. It's definitely a APY guy, low market cap gem. Quick overview. I do think Router Protocol is a really good project. I think it's very undervalued at the moment. I plan on investing a little bit more into it, not financial advice. If there's a project that you think is undervalued that is a low cap gem, please leave it in the comments and I'll try to cover it in the future. Thank you for watching and have a great day.